For competitive gamers, having a high-quality mechanical keyboard is essential. It can be the difference between winning and losing. With so many choices available, picking the right one can be overwhelming. We've identified the top 5 mechanical keyboards that can elevate your gaming experience. These keyboards feature fast response times, customizable lighting, and comfortable designs for extended play. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or strategy games, the right keyboard can boost your performance. In today's video, we'll show you the best mechanical keyboards for gaming. Let's get into it. The ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless is a versatile gaming keyboard featuring a compact 96% layout that retains all function and number keys while saving desk space. It offers tri-mode connectivity and hot-swappable pre-lubed ROG NX Snow Linear and Storm Clicky switches for customizable typing experiences. The keyboard incorporates sound dampening foam and switch dampening pads to enhance acoustics, along with pre-lubed stabilizers for smoother keystrokes. It comes with durable PBT double-shot or UV-coated ABS keycaps, streamer-friendly hotkeys, and intuitive controls including a multi-function button and multi-wheel. The ROG Omni receiver allows wireless connection to multiple supported devices. A unique ROG-themed spacebar with RGB LEDs adds visual flair. The keyboard offers 3 tilt positions and a detachable wrist rest for ergonomic comfort. With up to 1500 hours of battery life in 2.4 GHz mode, it's designed for extended gaming sessions. The Razer Huntsman Mini Analog is a groundbreaking 60% gaming keyboard featuring Razer analog optical switches. These innovative switches offer variable actuation points, allowing multiple commands per keystroke and 360-degree motion input for finer movement control. The keyboard supports dual-step actuation for streamlined actions and rapid trigger mode for instant key resets, enhancing responsiveness. Its compact form factor is ideal for minimalist setups and portability. Premium double-shot PBT keycaps with side-printed secondary functions ensure durability and easy reference. The keyboard includes onboard memory for storing up to 5 profiles, customizable Razer Chroma RGB lighting effects, and a detachable Type-C cable for convenient setup and storage. Built with aluminum construction for longevity, it withstands intense use. This versatile keyboard offers unparalleled control and customization, making it a powerful tool for gamers seeking precision and efficiency in a compact design. The Apex Pro Mini Wireless is a revolutionary 60% gaming keyboard featuring OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. These switches offer unparalleled customization with 40 levels of per-key actuation and 2-in-1 action keys for advanced combos. The keyboard boasts the world's fastest performance, with 20x speedier actuation and 11x faster response than traditional mechanical keyboards. Its rapid trigger technology eliminates latency by dynamically activating keys based on travel distance. The compact design, built with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, maximizes desk space without sacrificing functionality, thanks to side-printed secondary functions. Connectivity options include lag-free Quantum 2.0 wireless and Bluetooth 5.0. The detachable USB-C cable adds versatility. With features like ultimate adjustability, 2x more durability, and a premium build quality, the Apex Pro Mini Wireless offers gamers a powerful, customizable tool for enhancing their performance in a space-efficient package. The Keychron Q4 QMK is a premium mini custom keyboard featuring a full aluminum CNC machined body and double gasket design for an enhanced typing experience. It offers hot swappable switches and south-facing RGB LEDs, and supports QMK via for ultimate customization. The keyboard boasts a 6063 aluminum construction, an innovative double gasket design for improved acoustics, and a powerful MCU with a 1000 Hz polling rate. It comes with double-shot OSA profile PBT keycaps and pre-lubed Gateron G Pro switches in the fully assembled version. The Q4 supports both macOS and Windows layouts, features screw-in PCB stabilizers, and is available in various ISO layouts for international users. With its compact 60% form factor, the Q4 measures 303 by 121 mm and weighs about 1500 grams. It connects via USB-C and operates in temperatures from 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The YUNZII AL66 is a versatile 65% mechanical keyboard featuring 66 keys and a customizable knob. It boasts a CNC machined aluminum body with anodic oxidation for durability and a gasket-mounted structure for enhanced typing comfort. The keyboard offers tri-mode connectivity and can connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously. With a 4600 mAh battery, it provides up to 90 hours of wireless use. The AL66 includes south-facing RGB LEDs with 14 effects and 8 backlight colors, customizable via software. It features hot swappable YUNZII milk linear switches, double-shot PBT keycaps in cherry profile, and a slotted PC plate. Available in 4 colors, this NKRO-capable keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. Measuring 322 by 113 by 42 mm and weighing 1145 grams, the AL66 combines compact design with full functionality, making it suitable for both office use and gaming. These are the 5 best gaming mechanical keyboards. Which one do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below.